Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best low-profile bike helmets available on Amazon. Bike helmet is a remarkable safety gear that combines style, functionality, and innovative features to enhance your cycling experience. These remarkable products have undergone extensive research and testing, ensuring that only the finest options make it to this coveted list. Whether you're seeking unrivaled quality or exceptional value for your hard-earned money, rest assured, I've got you covered. Join me in this video where I'll provide an in-depth analysis of each product, highlighting their unique strengths and potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Regardless of whether you're an experienced enthusiast or new to the game, there's something here to pique your interest. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 selection. Number 1. 1000 Bike Helmet for Adults. The 1000 Bike Helmet for Adults from the Heritage Collection is a remarkable safety-certified product designed for individuals who prioritize both style and protection during their outdoor activities. Whether you're an avid cyclist, skateboarder, roller skater, or a road bike enthusiast, this helmet offers an excellent combination of comfort, durability, and safety features. When it comes to protecting your head during extreme sports or everyday commuting, safety is paramount. The 1000 Bike Helmet for Adults is engineered to meet and exceed the highest safety standards. It is CPSC and CN 1078 certified, ensuring optimal protection in case of impact. The helmet features a durable ABS outer shell that effectively absorbs shock, reducing the risk of head injuries. Number 2. ReviewSet ReviewSet Adult Bike Helmet. This bike helmet prioritizes safety above all else. It is constructed with a durable and impact-resistant ABS shell that effectively absorbs and disperses the force of impacts, reducing the risk of head injuries. This helmet meets and exceeds CPSC safety standards, providing you with the confidence to take on any adventure with peace of mind. Protect your head with a helmet that's engineered to keep you safe. Not only does the ReviewSet ReviewSet Adult Bike Helmet excel in safety, but it also boasts a sleek and stylish design. With a variety of color options available, you can find the perfect helmet to match your personal style. The clean lines and contemporary aesthetic make this helmet a fashionable choice for both men and women. Ride in style while ensuring your safety with the ReviewSet ReviewSet Adult Bike Helmet. The soft interior padding enhances comfort and prevents any irritation or discomfort, even during extended wear. Enjoy a snug and secure fit that keeps you comfortable throughout your journey. Its versatility makes it a valuable investment for active individuals seeking a helmet that can adapt to their ever-changing needs. Number 3. Inamoto Adults and Kids Bike Helmets. These adults and kids bike helmets are versatile safety accessories designed to provide optimal protection for individuals of all ages. With a strong emphasis on safety, comfort, and adjustability, these helmets are suitable for men, women, boys, girls, and even toddlers. This understands that safety is essential for everyone, regardless of age. That's why their helmet range caters to both adults and kids. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a young adventurer, there's a suitable helmet available. The adults' helmets provide a comfortable fit for men and women, while the kids' helmets are designed to accommodate the needs of boys and girls. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that each member of your family can ride or play with the utmost safety. A helmet should not only be safe but also comfortable to wear. The Inamoto Adults and Kids Bike Helmets feature adjustable straps and a dial fit system, allowing you to customize the fit according to your head size and shape. Number 4. ReviewSet Lenin Bike Helmet with LED Safety Light. One of the standout features of the ReviewSet Lenin Bike Helmet is its built-in LED safety light. Positioned at the rear of the helmet, this light provides increased visibility, especially during low light conditions or night rides. The LED light can be easily turned on and off, allowing you to stay visible to other road users and enhancing your overall safety. Ride with confidence, knowing that you have an extra layer of protection with the ReviewSet Lenin Bike Helmet. Achieving a perfect fit is crucial for comfort and safety while cycling. The ReviewSet Lenin Bike Helmet features an adjustable dial system that allows you to fine-tune the helmet's fit to your specific head size. Ventilation is crucial for comfort, especially during long rides or in hot weather conditions. The ReviewSet Lenin Bike Helmet features strategically placed air vents that promote excellent airflow, keeping your head cool and dry. Number 5. 1000 Chapter MIPS Adult Bike Helmet. This bike helmet prioritizes rider safety by incorporating MIPS, multi-directional impact protection system, technology. This innovative feature provides an additional layer of protection by reducing rotational forces that may occur during certain impacts. The MIPS technology helps minimize the risk of head injuries and ensures that you can ride with confidence, knowing that your helmet is designed to provide superior safety. Safety and visibility are paramount while cycling, especially in low-light conditions. The 1000-chapter MIPS adult bike helmet features an integrated LED taillight at the rear, enhancing your visibility to other road users. The LED taillight offers multiple modes, including solid and flashing options, allowing you to choose the one that suits your preference and provides maximum visibility during your rides. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?